Boeing stock analysis. Recent news and its impact on stock price. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Stock Market Analyst. Today, we're diving into the latest news affecting Boeing's stock price. From labor strikes to delivery forecasts, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned. Overview of Boeing. Boeing is a leading global aerospace company that develops, manufactures, and services commercial airplanes, defense products, and space systems for customers in over 150 countries. Founded in 1916 by William E. Boeing in Seattle, Washington, the company has grown to become one of the largest aircraft manufacturers in the world. Business units. Boeing is organized into three main business units. 1. Commercial airplanes, known for manufacturing the 737, 747, 767, 777, and 787 families of airplanes. They also produce the Boeing business jet range. 2. Defense, space and security. Provides solutions for military rotorcraft, satellites, human space exploration, and autonomous systems. 3. Global services. Offers innovative financing and service options for customers. Innovation and sustainability. Boeing is committed to leading with sustainability and cultivating a culture based on core values of safety, quality, and integrity. The company continues to expand its product line and services to meet emerging customer needs, including the development of the 787-10 Dreamliner, the 737 MAX, and the 777X. Global impact. With corporate offices near Washington, D.C., Boeing employs over 170,000 people across the United States and in more than 65 countries, leveraging a global supplier base to advance economic opportunity and community impact. Recent news impacting Boeing stock. 1. Management changes. Boeing has recently announced significant management changes that are expected to impact its stock performance. Dave Calhoun, the current CEO, will step down at the end of 2024, and Steve Mollenkopf will succeed Larry Kellner as the independent board chair. Additionally, Stan Deal, the president and CEO of Boeing Commercial Airplanes, will retire, with Stephanie Pope taking over his role. These changes come at a critical time for Boeing, which has faced financial challenges, including increasing defense charges, rising inventories, and higher debt. Despite these issues, analysts have maintained a positive outlook on Boeing's stock, citing improvements in cash flow and delivery rates. The appointment of Kelly Ortberg as the new CEO is seen as a strategic move to address these challenges and steer the company towards stability. Boeing's stock has experienced fluctuations, with a recent price of $153.29, down 0.84%. The stock has been underperforming, with a 35% decline since December 2023. However, the anticipated better deliveries of Boeing commercial airplanes and the strategic direction under new leadership are expected to positively influence the stock in the long term. 2. Labor union strike. Boeing is currently facing a significant labor strike involving 33,000 union machinists from the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers, IAM. The strike began on September 13, 2024, after workers overwhelmingly rejected a proposed contract that included a 25% wage increase over 4 years. The union members are demanding a 40% raise and the restoration of traditional pension benefits. The strike has halted production of Boeing's best-selling airplanes, including the 737, 777, and 767 models, significantly impacting the company's cash flow and balance sheet. Boeing has started rolling furloughs of non-union employees to conserve cash. Federal mediators have joined the talks, but little progress has been made, and no further discussions are currently scheduled. The strike poses a substantial challenge for Boeing, which has already been struggling with production and financial issues. Impact on Boeing's stock price. The ongoing labor strike has had a notable impact on Boeing's stock price. The uncertainty surrounding the resolution of the strike and its financial implications have led to increased volatility in the stock market. Investors are closely monitoring the situation, as the prolonged strike could further delay Boeing's production schedules and delivery commitments. Additionally, the strike has raised concerns about Boeing's ability to meet its financial targets and maintain its competitive position in the aerospace industry. Analysts have mixed opinions on the stock's future performance, with some remaining optimistic about a potential recovery once the strike is resolved. while others are cautious due to the ongoing challenges. Overall, the labor strike is a critical factor influencing Boeing's stock price and its future outlook. Boeing stock performance. Boeing's stock has experienced significant volatility recently, influenced by various factors including the ongoing labor strike. As of the latest data, Boeing's stock has fallen 35% since December 21, 2023, and 33.4% in 2024, lagging behind the S&P 500. In Q2 2024, Boeing reported a revenue drop of 14.6% to $16.9 billion, with a loss per share of $2.90, missing forecasts. Technical analysis. The technical analysis of Boeing's stock on TradingView indicates a bearish trend. The summary of Boeing Company, is based on the most popular technical indicators, such as moving averages, oscillators, and pivots. The technical rating for Boeing is currently a strong sell, with the 1-week and 1-month ratings also showing a prevailing sell trend. Key indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, RSI, moving averages, and MACD levels suggest that the stock is underperforming and may continue to face downward pressure. Fundamental analysis. From a fundamental perspective, Boeing's financial performance has been underwhelming. The company reported a net income loss of $1.44 billion in Q2 2024, with a net profit margin of 8.53%. The earnings per share, EPS, for the same period was $2.90, reflecting the company's ongoing financial struggles. Boeing's market capitalization stands at $107.05 billion, with a beta of 1.25, indicating higher volatility compared to the market. The company's debt levels and coverage ratios also highlight the financial challenges it faces. Overall, Boeing's stock performance is currently influenced by both technical and fundamental factors, with the ongoing labor strike adding to the uncertainty. Investors should closely monitor these developments and consider both technical indicators and fundamental metrics before making investment decisions. Boeing delivery forecasts. Boeing's 2024 commercial market outlook, CMO, projects a robust future for the aviation industry, with demand for nearly 44,000 new airplanes through 2043. This forecast highlights the resilience of the industry, with air travel demand expected to outpace economic growth. Emerging markets and global single-aisle demand are identified as primary growth drivers. The global commercial fleet is projected to grow at an annual rate of 3.2%, with airlines boosting productivity by increasing load factors and utilizing airplanes more efficiently. The air cargo fleet is expected to increase by 2/3 over the next 20 years, supporting a 4.1% annual growth in air cargo traffic. Key growth regions include South Asia, Southeast Asia, and Africa, with passenger traffic expected to increase by 7.4%, 7.2%, and 6.4% respectively. Eurasia is projected to lead in airplane deliveries, followed closely by North America and China. Single-aisle airplanes will dominate the market, making up 71% of the 2043 fleet. Boeing also anticipates a significant demand for commercial services, valued at $4.4 trillion, driven by maintenance, modification options, and digital solutions. The industry will require nearly 2.4 million new personnel, including pilots, maintenance technicians, and cabin crew. Boeing market trends. Boeing's market trend in 2024 reflects a resilient recovery and promising growth prospects. According to Boeing's 2024 commercial market outlook, CMO, air travel demand is expected to outpace economic growth through 2043. Emerging markets and global single-aisle demand are the primary growth drivers for the industry. The global commercial fleet is projected to grow at an annual rate of 3.2%, with single-aisle airplanes making up 71% of the 2043 fleet. Boeing anticipates a $9 trillion market opportunity over the next decade for aerospace products and services. This forecast is up from $8.5 trillion a year ago, reflecting the market's continued recovery progress. The air cargo fleet is also expected to increase by 2/3 over the next 20 years, supporting a 4.1% annual air cargo traffic growth. Despite facing supply chain and production constraints, Boeing's strategic focus on innovation, sustainability, and emerging markets is driving fleet growth and improving efficiency. The company's stock has experienced fluctuations, with a 35% decline since December 2023. However, the long-term outlook remains positive, with better deliveries and strategic direction under new leadership expected to positively influence the stock. Future outlook and predictions. Boeing's stock, BA, has faced a turbulent period, but analysts are cautiously optimistic about its future. As of September 2024, Boeing's stock price is around $153.291. Analysts have given it a consensus rating of moderate buy, with 13 out of 23 analysts recommending a buy. The average price target for Boeing over the next 12 months is $211.29, representing a potential upside of approximately 36.17% from its current price. Experts highlight several factors influencing Boeing's future performance. The company is expected to grow its earnings and revenue by 67.6% and 13.1% per annum, respectively. However, challenges such as supply chain disruptions and production delays for key aircraft models like the 737 MAX and 777X continue to weigh on investor sentiment. Despite these hurdles, Boeing has secured substantial new orders, including deals with major airlines like United and Ryanair, which boost optimism for a stronger 2024. Analysts believe that as Boeing overcomes its supply chain issues and ramps up production, the stock could see significant gains. While Boeing faces short-term challenges, its long-term prospects remain promising, making it an attractive option for patient investors. In conclusion, Boeing's stock presents a mixed but cautiously optimistic outlook for investors. The company has faced significant challenges, including production delays and supply chain disruptions, which have impacted its financial performance. However, Boeing's substantial backlog of orders, particularly for its commercial aircraft, provides a strong foundation for future growth. Analysts project a significant upside potential, with earnings and revenue expected to grow substantially in the coming years. The company's recent strategic moves, such as securing new contracts with major airlines and expanding its defense and space segments, further bolster its long-term prospects. While short-term volatility may persist, driven by ongoing operational hurdles and market conditions, Boeing's commitment to innovation and its pivotal role in the aerospace industry make it a compelling investment for those with a long-term perspective. Investors should remain vigilant, keeping an eye on key developments and performance metrics, but the overall sentiment leans towards a positive trajectory. As Boeing navigates through its current challenges and capitalizes on emerging opportunities, the stock could offer substantial returns for patient and informed investors. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Boeing and other stocks. Until next time, happy investing.